Hello, this is the fully restored Bosendorfer grand piano. We've just sold it and are preparing it for delivery. And there's been a dispute about the length of it. It's made in 1964 and we say it's 280 centimetres long, but everyone else seems to think that the only length of piano at that time was 275 centimetres long. So to measure the piano is quite difficult if you just use a tape measure like this. You can see it's hard to see what the measurement really is exactly. But my colleague David McCulloch here, he's come out with a solution. So using this simple L-shaped device, you can slot the tape measure in there and you can then measure the whole length yourself. And David, you got this concept from somewhere else, but you've modified it to make it so you can do it on your own.
I got it from an idea I saw in Renault in Germany. So it just allows single-handed measurement of the piano. So it just slots in there and you pull the tape measure down to the very end. And we can see the definitive measurement is 279.
So now we have it. Neither of us are correct. It's not 280 or 275, it's 279 or about 9'2".